and this is Devajeet Kaur, and we're here at the St Barnard Castle where we're doing our first women's retreat with Ishwara Kaur. And the retreat is self-alignment through sacred sound, and we're going to be working with the mantra Bhand Jammee-ai, and there's lots of gorgeous women come together, and we've got loads of beautiful organic vegan food throughout the weekend, and it's going to be really nice, so we'll be sharing all with you now.
The divine has created the world by various devices. The divine is immortal and infrangible. The divine keeps the whole universe in the divine's will. Allow yourself to relax, to say it's all being taken care of. Yeah? I'm simply the vehicle. Yeah? And to what extent can I relax, acknowledge that, and give my body and my mind in service of the divine, so that I may live the divine's will. Yeah? And you may say, but what's the divine will? Well, this is the practice we do, yeah, is so that we become more sensitive, and we also learn how to truly listen, so that we can hear the divine will. In general, our egos are very noisy, yeah, and so we don't tend to hear the divine very well. But the more that we have peace within our minds, yeah, and a little bit less pain in our bodies, then we're more able to feel and to hear the divine. And then we can choose over time if we wish to follow that command. Because it's not necessarily an easy thing to do. Yeah, it takes courage.
Satnam. What would I love to share? It's been a beautiful weekend. We're here with the lovely Ishwara Kaur and Devajeet Kaur. It's been a beautiful weekend of a balance between nourishing and nurturing our souls, learning about lots of the teachings from Yogi Bhajan, Kundalini Yoga. And I think what I'll take away is what it feels like to be a powerful, feminine, gentle woman in the world, and what that means, and a sense of how that feels, and
Jazz hands.